Welcome to Adventure Pulse, your ultimate guide to the world's most fascinating destinations. Today, we embark on a journey to one of the most iconic and enchanting castles in the world, Neuschwanstein Castle in Germany. Perched high on a rugged hill in the Bavarian Alps, this fairy-tale castle has inspired countless stories and even served as the model for Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle. Join us as we delve into the history, architecture, and captivating beauty of Neuschwanstein Castle. The dream of a king. Neuschwanstein Castle was the brainchild of King Ludwig II of Bavaria, also known as the Fairytale King. Ludwig ascended to the throne in 1864 at the age of 18. He was an enigmatic and introverted ruler with a deep passion for art, music, and architecture. Ludwig envisioned Neuschwanstein as a retreat where he could escape the pressures of royal life and immerse himself in a world of fantasy. The construction of Neuschwanstein began in 1869, and although the castle was never fully completed, it remains a testament to Ludwig's imaginative vision. The king spent a considerable amount of his personal fortune on this ambitious project, drawing inspiration from medieval legends and operas by his favorite composer, Richard Wagner. Architectural marvel. Neuschwanstein Castle is a masterpiece of Romanesque Revival architecture, blending elements of Gothic and Byzantine styles. Designed by architect Eduard Riedel, the castle features soaring towers, intricate stone carvings, and stunning frescoes. Each detail of Neuschwanstein reflects Ludwig's romanticized vision of a medieval knight's castle. One of the most striking features of Neuschwanstein is its picturesque location. The castle is set against a backdrop of lush forests, snow-capped mountains, and the shimmering waters of the Alpsee Lake. This idyllic setting adds to the castle's fairy tale allure and makes it a favorite subject for photographers and artists. Inside the castle. While the exterior of Neuschwanstein is undeniably breathtaking, the interior is equally enchanting. Ludwig spared no expense in decorating the rooms, each of which tells a story inspired by Wagner's operas and medieval legends. As we step inside, let's explore some of the most notable rooms. The Throne Hall is a grandiose room that showcases Ludwig's vision of kingship. Though the throne itself was never installed, the hall features a magnificent chandelier, marble columns, and an elaborate mosaic floor. The walls are adorned with paintings depicting scenes from Wagner's operas, emphasizing Ludwig's admiration for the composer. The Singers' Hall, another highlight of the castle, is a tribute to the medieval minstrels' hall at Wartburg Castle. This vast room was intended for musical performances and features stunning murals depicting scenes from the life of Parsifal, a legendary knight from Wagner's operas. The room's wooden ceiling is intricately carved, adding to its majestic ambience. Ludwig's bedroom is perhaps the most personal space in the castle. Decorated in a neo-Gothic style, the room features an intricately carved canopy bed and a small chapel. The walls are adorned with murals depicting the legend of Tristan and Isolde, another nod to Wagner's operatic works. The attention to detail in this room reflects Ludwig's deep immersion in his fantasy world. The mystery of Ludwig's death. King Ludwig II's reign was marked by controversy and speculation, and his mysterious death only added to the intrigue. In June 1886, Ludwig was declared mentally unfit to rule and was placed under house arrest at Neuschwanstein. Just days later, he was found dead in the shallow waters of Lake Starnberg, alongside his psychiatrist, Dr. Bernhard von Gudden. The circumstances surrounding their deaths remain unclear, fueling numerous conspiracy theories and legends. Despite the tragic end to Ludwig's life, Neuschwanstein Castle stands as a testament to his enduring legacy. The castle was opened to the public shortly after his death and has since become one of the most popular tourist destinations in Germany, attracting over 1.4 million visitors each year. Neuschwanstein in popular culture. Neuschwanstein Castle's fairy tale appearance has made it a beloved icon in popular culture. Walt Disney was so enchanted by the castle that he used it as the inspiration for Sleeping Beauty Castle in Disneyland. The castle has also appeared in numerous films, TV shows, and video games, cementing its status as a symbol of fantasy and romance. Visiting Neuschwanstein Castle. For those planning a visit to Neuschwanstein Castle, there are a few things to keep in mind. The castle is located near the village of Neuschwanstein in Bavaria, and the nearest major city is Munich. Visitors can reach the castle by car, train, or bus, and a shuttle service is available from the village to the castle entrance. Guided tours are offered throughout the year, providing visitors with an in-depth look at the castle's history and architecture. It's advisable to book tickets in advance, especially during peak tourist season, as Neuschwanstein is a popular destination. The castle is surrounded by scenic hiking trails, offering stunning views of the Bavarian Alps and the neighboring Neuschwanstein Castle. Conclusion: Neuschwanstein Castle is more than just a beautiful landmark, it is a testament to the dreams and passions of a king who sought to create a world of fantasy and beauty. As we conclude our journey through this enchanting castle, we hope you've been inspired by its rich history and architectural splendor. Join us next time on Adventure Pulse as we continue to explore the world's most fascinating destinations. Until then, keep the spirit of adventure alive and never stop dreaming.